how to make 8D audio in CapCut. So if you want to make 8D audio in CapCut, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to open up your CapCut application. After opening your CapCut, you can go with New Project, which is on the middle of your screen. And from here, you can select Photos or Videos. After that, go with Add, which is on the bottom. Now, after selecting, you need to go with Audio section, which is on the bottom left. Tap on Audio. Now, you can either go with the Extract section or you can go with Sounds. So I'll just simply go with Sounds and select the sound that you would like to add. Go with the plus, which is on the right side. And here you can adjust it and remove the excess part. Tap on Split, which is on the bottom left, and then select the excess part and delete. You can also delete the ending, and now you will have your song, right? So you can go with Export, which is on the top right, and you'll be able to export that video. Or you can also select the audio, and then you can go with the audio effects, which is on the bottom. And from here, you can go with the voice filters or voice characters or speech to song, any option that you're comfortable with, and then you can add some filters to it or effects to it. And after selecting your effect, if you're done, you can go with the tick and then go with export, and that's it. That's how you can make a 8D audio in your CapCut. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.